afternoon, all of you. I am Mani Mahesh. I'm going to discuss about today the numerical problem of pile foundation. The numerical is in your screen. The first question is the figure shows a group of pile. Determine the minimum number of precast concrete pile to carry a safe load with factor of safety 2.5. Assume 30 centimeter dia of the pile and 100% efficiency. Here in the figure you can see here the load of 500 kilonewton is directly common on the four piles which we are seeing at the ground level to the depth of the pile. The distance is 10 meter and the unconfined compressive strength is 150 kilopascal. The value of alpha is 0.57. As we know that the formula for individual pile Q1 is equal to alpha C into pi dl plus 9c into pi by 4 d square. Here we know the value of Qu, that is 5000 kilonewton. Value of alpha is 0.57. The value of C is 100 and the value of D is 0.3 and length is 10 meter. Okay, plus 9 into pi by 4 into 0.3 ka square. The value of n will be come out to be here 19.75. We can say 20 piles. Then efficiency will be equal to 100%. Hence Q individual is equal to Q block. Means in this numerical we can easily show if the value of Q is given, the ultimate bearing capacity of the pile is Qu is given, then through the formula of the single pile you can easily find out the value of number of pile in the foundation. The second numerical is determine the ultimate capacity of the pile group shown in the figure. Assume the group is to fail as a single block. Now D is 0.1 meter, 0.4 meter dia of the pile, length is 10 meter, phi is equal to 0 and value 1.2 meter center to center, then Cu is equal to 40 kilopascal. The Qu is equal to Cu into 4 into B into L plus 9 Cb square. For the group pile formula, here the value of B is equal to center to center spacing 2d plus diameter of the pile. So the value of B will be come out to be here 1.6, 1.2 plus 0.4. The value of Cu is 40 and length is 10 meter. Through this formula we can easily find out the value of Q through this formula you can easily find out the value of Qu. If you find the value of Qu, then we can apply the single pile formula alpha C pi dl plus 9c into pi by 4 d square. Through this formula you can directly find out the value of Qu, that is come out to be 2191.5 kilonewton. The value which is come out through Qu and the value which is come out from the single pile Qu is less. That means the foundation will be safe. A pile of 50 centimeter dia and of length 10 meter is embedded in a deposit of clay. The unconfined compressive strength of clay is 120 kilopascal and phi is equal to 0. Determine the skin friction of pile. Take alpha is equal to 0.6. Now the value of QUF skin friction is equal to alpha C into pi dn. The value will be come out to 5 through this formula. Q is equal to 120, so Cu will be equal to 120 by 2. Alpha, the value of alpha is given, the value of C is given, the value of D is given and the value of L is also given. Then you can easily find out the value of QUF, that will be equal to 565.49 kilonewton. After that you will find out the bearing capacity, that is formula for bearing capacity is 9c into pi by 4 into d square. The value of C is given here, the value of D is given here. According to that, you can find out the value of QUB. Now, if you find the value of QUB, what the question is asked, determine the screen friction of the pile. The screen friction of the pile will be 565.49 kilonewton. A group of 16 pile of 10 meter length and 15 centimeter and 50 centimeter dia is installed in a 10 meter thick clay stiff underlaying rock. The addition factor is 0.4 and the shear strength of the soil of the site is 100 kilopascal. The shear strength of the soil at the base is also 100 kilopascal. Determine the base resistance of a single pile, the group site resistance assuming 100% efficiency. So first of all, you are going to find out the value of QUP through the screen friction. The formula is for the bearing, because the soil is clay soil, the alpha C into pi into D into L. The form and the QUB will be equal to 9C into pi by 4 into D square. Through this formula, you can find out the bearing capacity. Now, QF1 plus QB1, N will be equal to QGF divided by 9QF, और 9QF will be equal to N into the friction of pile का formula क्या था, alpha C into pi into DL. तो 16 into 0.4, here you can find out the value of GF friction. So for the both the cases, you find the base resistance of a single pipe, you find out the group side resistance assuming the 100% efficiency. So this is a very simple process to find out the value of friction and the bearing capacity. Next question is, a group of 16 pile square pattern was installed as shown in figure below. Determine the safe load carrying capacity FOS is equal to 2.5. These are the some values given to you: Cu value in the upper layer, Cu value in the lower layer, alpha value, delta value and length value. First of all, we find out the QF1 screen friction for the above. The formula is alpha C into pi into DL. In the second, QF2 is equal to alpha C into pi into D into L2. You find QF1, you find QF2. After that, we will find QB2. That will be equal to 9C pi by 4 into D square. Now, QU will be equal to summation of all, that will come out to be 824.66 Newton, and Q total will be equal to number of pile is 16, so multiply by 16, the value will come out to be 313,914.56, then QS will be equal to QUT 824.66 divided by 2.4, then the safe bearing capacity will be equal to 329.64. Now, number of pile is 16, the value of one single pile is 329 point, then QST will be equal to 527.824 kilonewton. If the foundation is, if we see the QUG value, that will come out to 12810, and Q least is equal to 12810, then Q safe will be equal to 5124. That means efficiency will be equal to QUG upon NQU1, the 5124 divided by the value of QUG 5277. Through this formula, we can easily find out the efficiency. Okay, please practice this numerical. Both numerical are very important for your exam as well as your competitive exam purpose. So please